Our customers demand very robust products. So with those products, it's something that they can put into place and not have to service. Benzel torches have been very good with that, both on the air-cooled and water-cooled side, but also the reamers, the torch cleaning station. We have a rich relationship and history with developing products together. We even have an exclusive Yaskawa torch that only Benzel manufactures for us.
The partnership between Yaskawa and Benzel has been many years. They've been great support for us. They've answered all our questions. They were able to integrate our sensor technology, a lot of our gas-saving technology. Pretty much anything that Benzel offers, Yaskawa is able to adapt to their robots and put it in production standpoints.
We're really confident in using the product. It's very robust, it's easy to use, great support, great guys to work with, a lot of deep process knowledge. They know the product really well. Joy to work with.
I've often worked with Benzel over the years as they develop new torches and we release new robots. Benzel's always been instrumental and very helpful in providing us drawings and 3D CAD models of all of the products that we develop for our robots.
Our two companies work really well together, and not just technically but also commercially. Yaskawa has a very deep pool of talent in the welding industry and in their processes. And Benzel has the same thing. That's what makes the marriage so good, is that we both have very experienced technical people that have a lot of knowledge in welding and can work on an application and work very well together and bring all that information, knowledge, education to the table to help the customer solve a problem.
We don't want a customer coming in blindly to an automation situation, especially if they're new to automation. So anything that's going to help build that comfort and confidence on their side that this is the right solution for them to utilize. So again, with Benzel, with a robust product, with lots of weld knowledge, that complements well what we're doing with Yaskawa and what we want to accomplish with our customers.